I am 12.74 months sober. So yeah. So my name is John Edwards and I work as a specialist nurse for the alcohol care team at the Grange Hospital. This time, exactly this time last year, I was 2 weeks sober anyway. I decided to have a little break from alcohol following the passing of my father. Just wanted to clear head, just didn't want to feel, too flat going through the grieving process. So I was doing it anyway. So I kind of put my hand up and said, well, I'm doing it anyway. I'll give it a go now and I'll carry on doing the rest of October. One family member in particular, when I was younger, they were able to get sober. It's why I kind of do the job that I do now. And having that person in my life allowed me to understand that, despite as difficult as it can be, I was able to kind of see the other side of the story. I was able to see that, it is possible. It is possible to get sober and it is possible to have an incredible life. And this person did have an incredible life. I wouldn't drink often. I wasn't a regular drinker, but speaking frankly, when I drank, I enjoyed a drink, going out with friends. But when I had those occasions that I did drink, it was really impactful for me. Be a week to a week and a half hangover for me, and within that week and a half, it was horrendous. And I was starting to kind of recognise how impactful that was for me. I had no real kind of plan of how it was going to play out. I was just going to do, the rest of September and then October. Yeah, it's been a bit of a journey since then. So I carried on going. I felt so good that I just thought, let's keep the momentum going. So I started to sort of, feel the real benefits of being sober. As I quickly lost a lot of weight, lost the best part of 2 stone. Sleep drastically improved. My kind of outlook on myself, my sort of own well-being, sort of improvement in my relationships with my close friends, my family. Well, what will other people think of me? What will my mates think of me if I decide that I want to stop? How will I go and socialise? How will I go to, events? And, all those thoughts that I had didn't happen. And what I got, I was met with, an arm around the shoulder of, mate, I'm really proud of you. This is incredible. This is inspiring me. And when I woke up the following morning, I didn't have that horrendous hangover. And that was really, really, really powerful for me. Rather than having this idea that I was depriving myself of something, I had this psyche of, actually, in not drinking, I'm allowing myself to have a full, happy, constructive life that I'm in control of. So I'm giving myself something. Crux of our job is to basically support those individuals. And I've seen them through their journey of being, a death's door to X amount of time down the line being these incredible, inspiring, powerful people that have changed their own lives, but in doing so have changed the lives of others. So if you feel that you have a problem with alcohol or any other substances, you can reach out to gyda'ch, so Gwent Drug and Alcohol Services. You can refer yourself and they can carry out an assessment then to kind of tailor a plan to support you with what your goals are. Outside of that then, what I would is sort of support networks. The biggest one that is available sort of Gwent-wide but also worldwide is Alcoholics Anonymous. If you are one of those people that maybe are in the throes of it right now, that's all it is. It's just right now. It can be very different. So reach out for help.